ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। We'll see in next class Atmanepada and Parasmaipada dhatus. Few sutras I have prepared. Few more sutras are still there to prepare. We finished 18th chapter. Now we have to see 19th chapter. Dvi. Dvi means two. We saw in previous shabda eka. Now dvi. Dvi shabda have only dvivachanam. There is no ekavachanam and there is no bahuvachanam. Only dvivachanam. Ubha. Ubha shabda also has only dvivachanam. No ekavachanam, no bahuvachanam. Ubhaya shabda. Ubhaya has three vachanas. Ubha has only dvivachanam. Ubhaya has three vachanas. Ekavachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana. So all our meaning is two. All are Sarvanama Shabdas. Next, Dvijaha. Dvijaha, the one who has born twice. ఎవరైతే 2 సార్లు జన్మించారో వాళ్ళని ద్విజాహ అన్నారు. ద్విజాహ బ్రాహ్మణ I don't know why they have given twice Brahmana. Brahman.
The first one is just Brahmana. The second one, it can be either, it can include Kshatriya and Vaishya also. That is why they put it twice.
Okay. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya. Why they all are called Dvija? First birth is from mother's womb. Second birth is when they get Upanayanam, that is called second birth. So Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, all of them can have Upanayana Samskara. But Shudras doesn't have Upanayana Samskara, and that's why these three are called Dvijaha. Is that the meaning or any other meaning is there?
That is the meaning, Purnaji.
Okay. This is what I heard from Swamiji. Okay. Next, Pakshi. Pakshi is also, Pakshi means bird. That is also Dvija. Then teeth. Teeth also, we know that first when we get first, then it goes away. Again, second time it will come. I don't know that. That I don't.
What is the question?
Why we call Pakshi as Dvijaha? Like
Because
Brahman.
first the egg is laid by the mother. So that is the first born, and then the Pakshi comes out of the egg. It is oviparous, so that is why it's called Dvija.
Oh, okay, okay. పక్షి నుండి గుడ్డు బయటకు వస్తుంది, అది మొదటి జన్మ. గుడ్డు నుంచి పక్షి బయటకు వస్తుంది, అది రెండో జన్మ. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ద్విరేఫః. ద్విరేఫః, దిస్ ఇస్ బంబుల్ బీ. తెలుగు తుమ్మెదలు, తుమ్మెద. బలం, స్ట్రెంగ్త్. Now, Dampati, Pitarau, Ashwinau. All are always Dvivachana only. Dampati means Pati and Patni. Pitarau, Mata, Pita. Ashwinau, Ashwini Kumaras, both. Dvivaram means twice. Yugalam, Yugalam, pair. Yugam, Yugalam, Dvandvam. All are meaning is same, pair. Kshatrinyaya. Do you remember Kshatrinyaya?
In Kathopanishad,
Yes.
the Ritam Pribhantau Sukrutasya Loke, that one.
Yes, yes. Always together. That's what that Kshatrinyaya says. Means they go together like that. Yugalam is pair. Diksh. Diksh, here it is given Diksha Dena, to take Diksha, initiation, but in Ashtadhyayi, they have given many meanings. Maundya, Ijya, Upanayana, Niyama, Vratadesheshu. Maundya means to shave. Ijya means to perform a sacrifice. Yajna. Upanayana, to initiate a mantra. Niyama means to perform. Upanayana means to perform sacred thread ceremony. Also, mantra, initiate mantra, both meanings, Upanayana. Niyama, to practice self-restraint. Vrata, to teach religions activities. Vrata means to teach religions activities. These are the meanings for Diksha Dhatu. Next, Bhas. Bhas means to shine. Bhasamanasya Sampratam. This Pratyabhijna shloka. That is this Bhas Dhatu. Bhatasya kasyachit purvam bhasamanasya sampratam. Soyamityanusandhanam pratyabhijnanam uchyate. Bhas means to shine. A upasarga purvak lamb dhatu. Just for lamb dhatu, meaning is shabda, to make noise. If we add ang upasarga, then it becomes alamb. Then taking support or giving support. Two meanings can come. Alamba means taking support or giving support. Without ang upasarga, it is shabda, making noise. Kshama. Kshama dhatu meaning is forgive, to forgive. Gah dhatu. Oh, sorry, in this PDF, Gah is not there. Sham is also not there. Okay, you can write these. These are there in the book. PDF, it is not there, but in book, these are there. Alamba ksham. Ksham means to forgive. Gah. Gah means it is given in Hindi, gusna. What is the meaning in English? Gusna means?
To enter.
To enter. Any other word for that? To enter.
Hmm.
Oh,
Ghusna means like to enter a house or any
Ah.
place actually.
okay. This is given in Rachananvada Kaumudi, meaning Gusna. But in Ashtadhyayi, Gah means Vilodane, to destroy, to counter attack. That is the meaning given in Ashtadhyayi. So we can take Vilodane, to destroy, to counter attack. Next one, Srams. Srams means to fall down. Avasramsane. In Sanskrit, Avasramsane. To fall down. Next one, Dhvams. Dhvams, also in Sanskrit, Avasramsane. Dhvams also Avasramsane. To fall down or to drop or to slip off or to hang down. Next dhatu,
Here the meaning for dvams is given as destroy, nashta hona. That would be same as vilodane. So is that another meaning that we can take? But in Ashtadhyayi, they don't have nashta hona, destroy.
Dhvams, they have not given, they have not given Vilodane. Avasramsane they have given.
Oh,
But we use this dhvams is to destroy only, right? In Nyaya, we are using dhvams means to destroy.
yes. Praga bhava, pradvamsa bhava. All
Ah.
dvams is always for destroy. Yeah.
Hmm. Dhvams avasramsane gataucha. To deteriorate means, is it destroy?
That means to decay, not destroy. Not completely destroy, but deteriorate is more apakshiyate. That.
Oh, okay. So they have not given in Ashtadhyayi, but we can use that Nashtahona. Since we are using in Shastra, that meaning we can use. Next, Vyatha. Vyatha means भयसञ्चलनयोः भयसञ्चलनयोः to fear or to be angry, to be irritated. Dvidha. Dvidha means in two ways. Dvidha in two ways. Dvayam is two. Dvividhaha. Dvividhaha of two types. Dvigunaha double. We'll just decline the shabdas, how it goes. Aparnaji, can you start?
Sorry, yes, Punaji. One second. द्वि-इकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः नित्य द्विवचनात् सम्बोधनभावः सर्वनामशब्दः द्वौ
One minute.
sorry
Nitya dvivachanantaha and
Nit-
sambodhana abhavaha.
सम्बोधन अभावः सर्वनामशब्दः थिङ् संज्ञकः.
That gisangna is not required for now.
Okay.
Sambodhana abhavaha means for
No,
sarvanama shabda, sambodhana won't be there.
correct. द्वौ द्वौ द्वाभ्यां 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 द्वयोः द्वयोः.
Next, Anusha is there.
Yeah, Anusha is there.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Continue, Anusha.
उभ अकारांत पुल्लिंग नित्य द्विवचनात् नान्त सर्वनामशब्दः उभौ उभौ उभाभ्याम् 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 उभयोः उभयोः हे उभौ.
This ehe ubhau should not be there. Because for any sarvanama shabda, sambodhana won't be there. Maybe by mistake it is there, but later they will correct if they found. Next, ubhaya. Shivananji.
उभयः उभयौ उभये उभयम् उभयौ उभयान् उभयेन उभयाभ्याम् उभयैः उभयैः उभयस्मै उभयाभ्याम् उभयेभ्यः उभयस्मात् उभयाभ्याम् उभयेभ्यः उभयस्य उभयोः उभयेषाम् उभयस्मिन् उभययोः उभयेषु हे उभयो हे उभये.
Ubhayesham shabda came somewhere. Ubhabhyam. Ubhayesham and earlier Ubhabhyam. Both. Ubhabhyam Punya Papabhyam. That word is there. Ubhayesham Indriyanam. I think in this way it comes Ubhayesham.
Is
Some
it
man.
Viveka Chudamani for Swaswa Dama Swaswa Golake Ubhayesham Indriyanam?
Sadamah Parikirtitaha. Could be. Yes. Ubhabhyam Punya Papabhyam. That shloka somewhere it is there. Next shloka, next one. Dvijaha. Okay, Dvijaha is Akaranta Pullinga. Next, who can decline? Uma Amma.
Okay. Is it okay if I look it up, Purnaji?
Yes. Shall I open that?
I'm opening. Just give me 1 minute. Okay.
Okay.
Dvijaha, Dwijau, Dvijaha. That's Prathama. And on top it says Dvija, Akaranta Pullinga. It is just like Pakshi, Danta, Brahmanaha, Pakshi Sarpadhyaha. Okay. Prathama Dvijaha, Dwijau, Dvijaha. Dvitiya, Dwijam, Dwijau, Dvijan. Tritiya, Dwijena, Dwijabhyam, Dwijaihi. Chaturthi, Dwijaya, Dwijabhyam, Dwijebhyaha. Panchami, Dwijat, Dwijad, Dwijabhyam, Dwijebhyaha. Shashti, Dwijasya, Dwijayoho, Dwijanam. Saptami, Dvije, Dwijayoho, Dvijeshu. Sambodhanam, He Dvija, He Dwijau, He Dvijaha. So I wanted to ask in the previous one, Ubhaya, Sambodhanam, although it is Sarvanama Shabda, Sambodhanam is okay, is possible?
And so far what I heard is for Sarvanama Shabdas, there won't be any Sambodhana.
Okay.
I think that was the mistake in typing.
Okay. And in this, why is the He Dvija Sambodhanam Ekavachanam, why is that highlighted?
Oh, I typed
Because
Dvija.
okay, because it is highlighted in mine also. So that's why.
No. If I type like Ramaha,
Then it gets highlighted. Okay.
Ramaha highlighted. That's
Okay, got it. Understood. Thank you.
next one. Dvirefaha. Dvirefa is the Shabda. Pratipadika is Dvirefa. Upendraji, can you decline Dvirefa? We cannot hear you. Voice is not clear, Ji. Voice is not coming, Upendra ji. Okay, Vijaya ji.
Same like Ramah.
Yes.
Virepah, Virepau, Virepah, Virepam, Virepau, Virepan, Virepena, Virepabhyam, Virepaihi, Virepaya, Virepabhyam, Virepabhya,
Hmm.
Virepabhyah,
Dvirepebhyah.
Virepebhyah,
Hmm.
Vira, Virepat, Virepad, Virepabhyam, Virepebhyah, Virepa, Virepasya, Virepayoho, Virepanam,
Hmm.
Virepe, Virepayoho, Virepeshu,
Hmm.
He Dvirepa, He Dvirepau, He Dvirepaha.
Hmm. The earlier question that for Ubha, Sambodhana, if there is any exceptional sutra, if it is there, then it may be possible to have Sambodhana for Sarvanama Shabdas. I will look at it in Laghu for Ubha Shabda. If there is any exceptional sutra, I will let you know. Next, Virefaha. Next, Balam. Aparna ji.
Okay. Balam, Balau, Balaha.
No. Balam is which linga?
Napunsakaling.
How it goes? Napumsakalinga?
So Balam, Bale, Balaha. Balam, Bale, Balaha.
Balan.
Sorry, Balan.
Balani.
Balan.
Balam, Bale, Balani.
Balam, Bale, Balani. Balena, Balabhyam, Bale, Balai.
Prathama and Dvitiya both are same.
Correct. Balena, Balabhyam, Balaihi. Balaya, Balabhyam, Balebhyah. Balat, Balad, Balabhyam, Balebhyah. Balasya, Balayoho, Balanam. Bale, Balayoho, Baleshu. He Bala, He Balao, He Bala, He Bale, He Balaha.
Hey, Balani.
Balani. Yeah, He Balani.
Next, Dampati. Dampati is only Dvivachana. See now, Dampati I typed, so 3 are there, then 3 are highlighted, Dampati. Shiva, Anusha?
ದಂಪತಿ ಇಕಾರಾಂತ ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ ದಂಪತಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ದ್ವಿವಚನಂ ಸಂಜ್ಞಕಃ ದ್ವಿವಚನಂ ದಂಪತಿ 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 ದಂಪತಿಭ್ಯಾಂ 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 ದಂಪತ್ಯೋಃ ದಂಪತ್ಯೋಃ ಹೇ ದಂಪತಿ.
Here, Hey Dampati can be there because it is not Sarvanama Shabda. Yes. Next, Pitarau. Pitarau, like Dampati, they have not given Pitarau separately. They have included in Pitru Shabda. So we can just do this one, Dvivachana. Next, Shivananji.
पितरो पितरो पितृभ्यां 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 पित्रोः हे पितरो.
Hmm.
Only this.
Yes, yes. Next, Ashvinau. Ashvinau is there?
I think it is same as Pitarau, but it is only Dvivachana, right?
No, this is Ikaranta Strilinga, Ashwini Shabda.
It says
And-
in Suchana, yeah, in
Sorry.
Suchana it says Ka Suchana Dampati Ashvinau Nitya Dvivachananta. Is that not correct? In Rachnanu?
Yes, Dvivachananta, but Pitarau is Rikaranta Shabda. Declension is different.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Like Dampati is
Ha, ha, ha.
Ikaranta.
Correct, correct. Okay. Yeah, so it will be like Dampati and not Pitar. Yes. Okay.
It can be like Ashwini.
So shall I follow Dampati for Ashvinau?
No, actually they have given Ashwina is the Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam.
Oh, okay.
Here I will check that with Shabda, what kind of Shabda it is, Ashwino.
Okay.
Ashwini Shabda is there, but it is Trilinga. But here
Yes.
it is, here it is not Strilinga. Okay, that we will see later. Next. Dvivaram, Yugalam, Yugam, Dvandvam. All are like Napumsakalinga, like Balam Shabda only. Diksha will decline. Diksha. First will decline for all dhatus lat lakara. Diksh dhatu. Shivananji.
दीक्षते दीक्षेते दीक्षन्ते दीक्षसे दीक्षेथे दीक्षद्वे दीक्षे दीक्षावहे दीक्षामहे.
Next, bhas dhatu lat lakara. Umama.
Bhasate, bhasete, bhasante, bhasase, bhasethe, bhasadve, bhase, भासावहे भासामहे.
Upendra ji, is it your internet is good?
Am I audible now?
Yes, yes. Alamb.
Alambate, alambete, alambante, alambase, alambethe, alambadve, alambe, alambavahe, alambamahe.
Next, Kshama Dhatu. Vijaya ji.
क्षमते क्षमेते क्षमन्ते क्षमसे क्षमथे क्षमद्वे क्षमे क्षमावहे
Madhyama Purusha Dvivachanam is what?
क्षमेथे क्षमे क्षमावहे क्षमामहे
Next, Gah Dhatu. Aparna ji.
Gah dhatu, how does it go? Gahate, like that, Punaji?
Yes.
Okay. Gahate, gahete, gahante, gahase, gahethe, gahatve. Gahe, ga, gava, gavahe, gamahe.
1 minute. I'll check it.
That's what. Gahe, gavahe, gamahe.
Gahavahe, Gahamahe. It's Gahate, Gahete is correct.
Okay. Gahavahe, gahamahe.
Next one. Srams. Anusha.
स्त्रंसते स्त्रंसेते स्त्रंसन्ते स्त्रंससे स्त्रंसेथे स्त्रंसद्वे स्त्रंसे स्त्रंसावहे स्त्रंसामहे
Next, Dhvams. Shivananji.
ध्वंसते, ध्वंसेते, ध्वंसन्ते, ध्वंससे, ध्वंसेथे, ध्वंसेथे, ध्वंसद्वे, ध्वंसे, ध्वंसावहे, ध्वंसामहे.
What is the Madhyama Purusha Bahuvachanam?
ध्वंसद्वे.
Next one. Vyatha. Umama.
Avyathate, vyathete, vyathante, vyathase, vyathethe, vyathadve, vyathe, vyathavahe, vyathamahe.
To this, next. Rit Lakara. Upendra ji.
Sari amma. दीक्षते दीक्षेते दीक्षन्ते दीक्षसे दीक्षेथे दीक्षद्वे
Lit Lakara.
Lut only amma. Dhatu
Dikshishyate.
is
Diksh Dhatu. Lit Lakara. Dikshyate.
दीक्षिष्यते दीक्षिष्येते दीक्षिष्यन्ते दीक्षसे दीक्षिष्येथे दीक्षिष्यद्वे दीक्षिष्ये दीक्षिष्यावहे दीक्षिष्यामहे
Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. Dikshishyase.
दीक्षिष्यसे दीक्षिष्येथे दीक्षित
All are correct. All are correct.
Thanks, Amma.
What is the sutra that Sakara became Shakara?
आदेशप्रत्ययोः
Yes. Next, Diksh. Bhas. Vijaya ji?
भासिष्यते
Yes.
भासिष्यते भासिष्येते भासिष्यन्ते भासिष्यसे भासिष्येथे भासिष्यद्वे भासिष्ये भासिष्यावहे भासिष्यामहे
Next, Alamb. Aparna ji?
Alambyate. Is it alambyate, Purnaji? Alambyate. How would that go? Yutlakar alambyate.
1 minute. Alambishyate.
Alambishyate, alambishyete, alambishyante. Alambishyase, alambishyethe, alambishyatve. Alambishye, alambishyavahe, alambishyamahe.
Next, Kshama.
अम्मा क्षमस्यते
No, Kshansyate. Both forms are there. Ksamishyate is there, Kshamsyate is there.
अम्मा both చెప్పనమ్మా only one receiving
Both. 1 minute. I love.
क्षम्स्यते क्षमिष्यते क्षम्स्येते क्षमिष्येते क्षमस्यन्ते क्षमिष्यन्ते क्षम्स्यसे क्षमिष्यसे क्षम्स्येथे क्षमिष्येथे क्षम्स्यद्वे क्षमिष्यद्वे क्षम्स्ये क्षमिष्ये क्षम्स्यावहे क्षमिष्यावहे क्षम्स्यामहे क्षमिष्यामहे
Here, this Sya and here Shya is there. Let us see. Sya comes by the sutra Syatasi Lrulutoho. This is the sutra. In Lut Lakara and Lrung Lakara. After Dhatum, Sya Vikarana Pratyaha Agachati. Sya will come in Lut Lakara and Lrung Lakara. In those two Lakaras, Sya will come after Dhatu. In Lut Lakara, Tas will come. So that we will see later. But for now, in Lut Lakara, Sya will come after Dhatu. That is this sutra. Syatasi Lrulutoho. In all Dhatus, whenever we see this Sya is there, that Sya comes by this sutra. Syatasi Lrulutoho. Here also, Sya will come by Syatasi Lrulutoho. That Sya will change into Shya. Sa will change into Shya. Okay, ksham dhatu. Next.
Ma, I have a doubt here, Amma.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Ma, is Ishyati and Syati are dependent on. Last time we were thinking on it and anit dhatus, no?
Forget about it and it. Forget about it and it. But I explained that Adesha Pratyayoho Sutra. So based on that sutra, it will change. Like here you see, before Sakara, this ta will get Itsangna and Lopa. And there one more step should come. Or even if it is not there, this sa is there. Before that sa, Ikara is there. Because of that Ikara, this Shakara changed into Shakara. In this case, Kshansyate, in this case, before Sakara, there is Anuswara. That's why Ikara or Kakara is not there. In means Ikara, Ukara, Kakara, these three are not there. That's why Sakara did not change into Shakara. That we can remember. But unless we go through the whole process, we don't know whether before Sakara, Ikara comes or not.
Ma'am, here it is having both types, no? Ma, Ishyati and Syati are there in declension, no?
Yes.
Here this dhatu is unique or what? Of having both it and anit.
You forget about it and anit. Just for Shakara, Adesha Pratyayoho Sutra. What is the nimitta to change Sakara into Shakara? Before Sakara, Ikara or Ukara or Kakara should be there. When
Okay.
Shamishyate comes, here before Sakara, Ikara is there. That's why Sakara changed into Shakara. In this form, before Sakara, there is no Ikara, Ukara or Kakara. You can mute when you are not speaking. Before Sakara, there is no Ikara, Ukara, Kakara. That's why Sa did not change into Sha. So whether it's Sate or Nate, forget about it. It is Ved, not Sate, Nate. So, is this clear?
Okay, Amma. Okay, Amma.
When we study Lagu, it is explained more about Sate or Nate. Even Lagu, starting it is not explained. Later it will explain. Okay. Next. What I wanted to say is, we are declining so many dhatus, and we know in Rut Lakara, Sya will come. Whether it is Shya also comes from Sya only. So that Sakara changes into Shakara. But that Sya comes from Syatasi Lrilutoho. By that sutra, this Sya will come in Lrit Lakara. Ksham. Next, Gah. Vijayaji? Oh, no. Who were declining this? Anusha. Shivananji?
गाहिष्यते गाक्ष्यते
Hmm.
गायिष्येते घाक्ष्येते
1 minute.
घायिष्यन्ते
Give me 1 minute. I'll open that. Now can you decline again?
घायिष्यते
Hmm.
घाक्ष्यते
Hmm.
गायिष्येते घाक्ष्येते
Hmm.
घायिष्यन्ते घाक्ष्यन्ते गाहिष्यसे घाक्ष्यसे गाहिष्येथे घाक्ष्येथे गाहिष्यद्वे घाक्ष्यद्वे गाहिष्ये घाक्ष्ये गाहिष्यावहे घाक्ष्यावहे गाहिष्यामहे घाक्ष्यामहे.
Here we'll see. Here. Here Sya comes. Sya comes by Syatasi and Rulutoho. In this form also, Sya is there. Sya comes by Syatasi and Rulutoho. So, whatever is the regular sutras which comes in all dhatus, those sutras only I am mentioning. So, in any lakara, any dhatu, if it is lit lakara, then Sya will come by Syatase Lulutoho. Then Gah, Srams. Uma.
Sramsishyate, sramsishyete, sramsishyante, sramsishyase, sramsishyethe, sramsishyadve, sramsishye, sramsishyavahe, sramsishyamahe.
Next, Dhvams. Upendra ji.
हरि ओम. ध्वंसिष्यते ध्वंसिष्येते ध्वंसिष्यन्ते ध्वंसिष्यसे ध्वंसिष्येथे ध्वंसिष्यद्वे ध्वंसिष्ये ध्वंसिष्यावहे ध्वंसिष्यामहे.
Next, Vyath. Vijayaji.
व्यतिष्यथे व्यतिष्येथे व्यतिष्यन्ते व्यतिष्यसे व्यतिष्येथे व्यतिष्यद्वे व्यतिष्ये व्यतिष्यावहे व्यतिष्यामहे.
Next, now Lang Lakara. Aparna ji, you can do for Vyat Dhatu only since it is there.
Okay. Avyathata, avyathetam, avyathetam, avyathanta, avyathathaha, avyathetam, avyathatvam, avyathe, avyathavahi, avyathamahi.
Anybody remember this Akara comes by which sutra?
Lung, lung, drung. That one.
Huh. Complete the sutra.
Lung lung
Hmm.
ring shvadudattah. Sorry.
Yes, yes. Lung lang lung shvadudattaha. I'll open that. This one. Lung lang lung shvadudattaha. Huh. Next, we'll go to Diksh Dhatu. It will be same. Lang Lakara will become same. Diksh Dhatu. Next, Anusha.
Adikshat, Adikshetam,
One
Adikshanta.
minute. Adikshat. Is it Alanta?
No, ma. Adikshata, Adikshetam,
Adikshata, not Dirga. Adikshata.
Adikshata, Adikshetam, Adikshanta. Adikshataha,
Di
Adikshat,
Dirga. Di is Dirga.
Adikshatam,
Where is it?
Adikshataha,
Decline starting.
Adikshata, Adikshetam,
Huh.
Adikshanta.
Uh,
Adikshataha, Adikshetam, Adikshadvam. Adikshate,
Adikshat. Adikshadvam.
Adikshadvam.
Hmm.
Adikshate, Adikshatawahi, Adikshitamahi.
Adikshavahi.
Adikshavahi, Adikshamahi.
Huh. Uttam Purusha Ekvachanam, what did you say?
Adikshate.
Hmm. Adikshe.
Adikshe.
Huh.
Adikshe.
Adikshe. See what is the dhatu, where it is ending and what we should add, that we have to see. Okay. Next, bhas dhatu. Shivananji.
Bhasata. Bhasyetam.
Abhasata.
Sorry. Abhasetam. Abhasanta.
Hmm.
Abhasataha. Abhasataha. Abhasetham. Abhasadvam.
Hmm.
Abhasathe.
Abhase.
Abhase. Abhasavahi. Abhasamahi.
Hmm. Next, alamb. Uma Amma.
Alambata, alambetam, alambanta, alambathaha, alambetham, alambadhvam, alambe, alambavahi, alambamahi.
Next, kshama. Upendraji. Upendraji. Okay, Vijayaji.
Sorry.
अक्षमथ अक्षमेताम् अक्षमन्त अक्षमथाः अक्षमेताम् अक्षमध्वम् अक्षमथे अक्षमावहि अक्षमामहि.
Why Aksha? What is the Uttam Purusha Ekvachanam?
अक्षमे.
Can you decline again?
अक्षमत अक्षमेताम् अक्षमन्त अक्षमताः अक्षमेताम् अक्षमध्वम् अक्षमथे अक्षमे अक्षमावहि अक्षमावहि अक्षमामहि.
Yes. Okay, we'll see next in next class. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.